open the door over there? Para ma-open ko yung back.
Hello.
Okay, open. Sa taas, yan. Yung baba niya. Your slippers.
I want my babog, Joe.
Sige na. Mamaya na. Or else you wanna left here behind. Sa mga trupa, nakuha na namin ni Sofia yung hard copy ng insurance policy. Bale, itong insurance policy na to is good for
Car.
hindi, yung period niya from June 18, 2024 ngayong taon hanggang June 18, 2025 naman.
I think we're gonna pay it when it's already 8. 2028.
2028?
Yeah.
No.
Di ba sabi mo sa akin mo naman already grade 5?
Yung itong sasakyan yun. Itong sasakyan yun. Yung, kasi di ba 5 years nating babayaran tong sasakyan. Ngayon, nasa second year pa lang tayo. Pangatlo pa lang yun.
Oh. What do you mean panatlo?
Pang third year.
There's still 3 more years?
Yeah.
2026!
Hindi 24 ngayon, di ba? Oh, your seatbelt. You forgot again your seatbelt. 24, 5, 6, 7. 2027. Kasi we bought this car 2022, right? Do you remember?
Yeah,
Yun.
we bought this car at 2022. What else?
Yan, 2022 plus 5. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, 2027 natin full pay.
It's 2020.
Kanina, what I'm talking about is yung policy insurance. I mean, insurance policy. Separate yung payment kasi nung insurance policy natin.
Oh.
Hindi siya dun sa may binabayaran natin sa car.
That means the policy is going to bayad our car?
In case a damages will happen. So hindi na tayo maglalabas ng pen in case may disgrasya tayo. Ganun.
What do you mean na disgrasya?
When someone bump our car, or when I'm driving and I bump the car, or when somebody stole our car or natural disaster, yung mga ganon, tapos it destroys our car, the insurance policy will pay for the car. Hindi
Oh yeah,
na ako.
diba last time it was super windy, diba?
Yeah, you remember that?
Yeah,
There was a typhoon.
yeah, there was a typhoon. What's a typhoon?
Typhoon yung super windy. And then what did you remember?
And then diba something landed in our car? It's like a metal thing.
Metal thing.
A metal
Yeah, I
thing and
remember
super
it.
old.
Yeah, it was yero. It was a yero. Fell down to our car. Buti na lang nagasgas lang, hindi na damage total. Kapag na-damage ang car natin, kunwari, this one breaks. And then we bought insurance, comprehensive insurance. But then the comprehensive insurance will pay for the damages. Hindi na tayo ganun.
Daddy, don't look at me. Look at the road.
I'm looking at the side mirror.
Oh, okay.
If someone is on the left side, I mean right side,
What do you
we're
mean?
changing lane.
This is the right side.
Yeah, there are 4 lanes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to that side. That's why I'm looking there.
1, 2. There's 4 lanes. There's 4 lanes actually. Bakit 2 lanes na ngayon?
Kasi nag-combine na. Sa taas lang malawak. Ito maskip na.
Oh yeah. We're going here. Oh, done. Done.
Oh, it's traffic again.
Daddy.
What?
Oh,
Don't keep doing that.
why?
Kasi mo yung glove box natin.
This is a glove box?
Compartment, I mean.
I thought this was the glove box.
Yeah, it is.
Daddy?
Yes.
Napipip yung other cars.
Doon, kasi may pasaway.
What do you mean pasaway?
Nag-aagawan sila sa line.
Oh.
And one of them got angry. And
Yeah, I'm also angry.
why?
Because someone was blocking our way.
They're not blocking. There's a stoplight. Every car stops.
Oh, I'm done. Let me see here. Daddy,
Hmm?
can you tell me why there's so many Motozed stickers?
Where?
Here, here,
I can
here,
only see one
here,
Motozed
here,
sticker.
Here. No, I can see 6.
Where? Count.
There at the back.
There's no Moto Z at the back.
Yes, there are. Yung line naman, di ba?
Ah, okay, I remember.
Tapos doon sa window, di ba?
Yeah. Oops, release the handbrake and let's go.
Daddy! Huh? That's how? Daddy, when it's Sunday, di ba this streets there are closed?
Yeah, it is. Session Road is closed every Sunday.
Yeah. Road.
Doon, nagpasan na natin.
Daddy, is Shashan Road the road? Ayun, where's the spider there? Hello, everybody. Hello, mommy.
Your mom's not there.
Hello, everybody. Hello. 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 Oh. Should we stop?
Oops.
Water.
I'm going to this side, not to that side.
Why? Mitsubishi, why? Mitsubishi.
Because it's better to park in there. Oh no, 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 no.
Why do you see uno?
Full parking pala doon. We're just gonna stay here na lang.
Daddy, the car is there.
Looks the same, but it's not your car.
Yes, it's our car. Oh.
Thank you, thank you. I'm just gonna park in here.
Daddy, our car is there.
Yan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks the same.
Yo, it's the wrong code number.
Wait, number? What do you mean code number?
See? That's a code number. Right? So, big number?
Yeah. Alright.
Why?
Let's talk about insurance policy. Kanina ko dapat to i-discuss eh, kaso yung guard kanina, pinapaatras na kami nung nandun kami sa may Mitsubishi. What is this thing? Oh, it's your birth certificate, Sophia.
What do you mean?
Ito, this is yours, it's not mine. Bale, ito yung pangatlong insurance, comprehensive insurance ni Montero. Sulit na si insurance sa akin. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-claim. Compare lang natin yung mga tatlong insurance na nakuha ko since 2022. Ngayon is 2024, so parang 2 years pa lang. Yung pangatlo is hanggang 2025 na kasi.
Bruh.
Yeah, is. So, nakatatlo na. Ito yung unang insurance ko. We were not sponsored, pero gusto ko lang i-compare. Ito siya.
What are you talking about?
Amount insured, sabi niya dito, pare. Ito, kinuha ko yung sasakyan June 18. June 17 pala nung kinuha ko yung sasakyan. And then, the insurance was issued June 18. So, isang araw. Amount insured is, ito nga, 1.5 M. Tapos yung computation natin para sa comprehensive insurance is 33,000 plus.
What did you say?
33,000 plus.
Bleh.
Ito siya. Premium 26,000 plus 3,000 na documentary stamp,
You're back.
3,000 na VAT. Grabe namang tax yan. So total 33,000. Ito yung first na insurance, 33,000 plus. Put it there. Tapos ito yung next na insurance nung 2023 to 2024 naman. Ano binayaran ko na? 28 naman na siya. So nag-diminish. Habang tumatagal yung sasakyan, mas nagdi-diminish yung binabayaran sa comprehensive insurance. Eh matamaan na yung where you going anyway? Hey, come on. Explain mo dito what's insurance.
Insurance is to protect the car from damaging it.
Oh, tell them what's the insurance is for.
Insurance is
What?
If the car is damaged, the insurance can pay for our car
Yes.
for the
yun nga.
damage.
It's
If
a
we bump
protection.
it, or someone bump it, or someone stole it, or anything that happens to the car.
Alright, so yun. From 33, naging 28 yung second isang taon, nag-diminish na. Nag-depreciate na kasi yung value ng Montero. Yearly, mag-diminish yung value ng sasakyan natin. Kaya mag-diminish din yung insurance policy.
Daddy, do you have a tissue?
Look in there. Tapos ngayon, 2024 to hanggang next year, 2025, mas bumaba ulit. Bali yung total niya is 25,600 na lang. So, di ba? From 33 nung first year, naging 28. Tapos ngayon, 26.
Daddy, I don't see any.
Yun lang kung wala. Bakit sa mga gagamitin?
What?
Why? Sa mga gagamitin yung tissue? You can just throw outside. Open your window and throw outside. Now go.
What is littering?
Go! Okay na? Now close the window kasi naka-aircon tayo. It's too hot outside. Ngayon, ano yung coverage ng insurance
I
na
don't know.
kinuha natin?
I don't know.
Ano yung content, yung mga ganun.
Oh,
Tingnan natin kung ano yung content niya. Ito yata. Ito, apat. Own damage. Ito yung sinasabi ko, Sophia.
What?
Sa own damage, pwede tayong mag-claim ng insurance. For example, we damage this car while parking maybe and then I bumps. So, bali apat siya. Meron ding acts of nature. Mura na yung acts of nature. Acts of nature means, yun nga, kung may flood, biglang na-flood yung sasakyan natin. Or when there's a typhoon, a landslide, and then
What's
damage yung car
properly
natin.
damaged?
What do you mean properly? Property damage.
What's that?
VTPL, property damage. Maybe kung may nabangga si daddy mo and then I damage some properties, ayun, you can also claim.
They will give us this
VTPL,
many?
bodily injured, meron din, no?
Daddy, they will give us this many money?
Hindi, ito yung binayaran natin. Yan yung binayaran natin total.
Oh, they will give us this one and we will buy it?
We already bought this one. Total niya is yun na. 25,600. But, ang marireceive natin, kung total wreck, gano'n, marireceive natin yung buong sasakyan din. They will replace the car. Ganun. Siyempre, meron pa rin tayong participation fee. So, kung nadisgrasya ang car, we still have to pay a small amount and then they will pay for the big amount. Ano? Insurance. Alright. Mahaba naman ito. Ito man daw mabasa. Ano yun? Basta ganun yun. Acts of nature and own damage. Meron din siyang TPL, bodily injured. Tapos meron din siyang property damage na insured. So okay na rin yan. Thank you for watching. Oh, bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye, guys. Babush.